Hi friends, we will analyze the Toyota GR Supercar today. The Toyota GR Supra is the continuation of the classic Supra series, reintroduced to the market in 2020. This car is the result of a collaboration between Toyota and BMW, sharing many engine and chassis components with the BMW Z4. Toyota has positioned the Supra as a high-performance sports car, ideal for both everyday driving and speed enthusiasts. Design. The exterior of the Toyota GR Supra stands out with its aerodynamic and aggressive design. The front of the car features a long hood and large air intakes, while the rear emphasizes width and power. The low-profile wheels and compact bulges indicate the car's speed-oriented nature. Engine and performance. The GR Supra is offered with two engine options: 3.0-liter, 6-cylinder turbo engine with 382 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque. This version reaches 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.9 seconds. This model is known for its fast and powerful performance. 2.0-liter, 4-cylinder turbo engine, producing 255 horsepower and 400 Nm of torque. This version is less powerful but lighter and more agile. It reaches 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 5.0 seconds. Chassis and handling. The chassis of the GR Supra is fully balanced and agile, ensuring stability during sharp turns at high speeds. The car's rear-wheel drive configuration highlights the sports car experience, making it ideal for those who enjoy drifting and maneuvering. Technology and features. The Supra is equipped with modern technology. 8.8-inch multimedia display with support for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Head-up display, HUD, in various driving modes. Safety technologies, automatic braking, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and many other driver assistance systems. Price. The price of the Toyota GR Supra varies by market, but typically starts in the range of $50,000 to $60,000. The 3.0-liter version is more expensive. Overall assessment. The Toyota GR Supra combines speed, handling, and technology in a high-performance sports car. While some car enthusiasts may view its reliance on BMW's engine technology as a downside, most praise it for its balanced performance and quality.